Thank you. Yes, we do have some questions. Here, the first one is, what does medium mean in the model formulation? How is it different from the interior?
Okay, you mean about the temperature or what?
I think it's in the representation of your model, your interior, medium.
Okay, they are like, yeah, when you represent a wall, or it's a way to call to different parts of the envelope. The interior will be the part of the air inside the building, and then the medium will be the first part you have in between the interior and the envelope. It's kind of a representative way of a wall or of a building. It's not, it has not a real physical meaning, but it's a way to simulate or a kind of part.
Limit layer. And the second question is, why is the weighting parameter needed in the simulation? Can different persons get the same results for the weighting parameter?
Okay. I don't understand well this question. I don't know what you mean with weighting parameters. I don't know who.
It was in the middle of your presentation, I think, when you were.
You made the weighting. Okay. You made the weights what I have included for the optimization, or?
Well, myself I don't know, but maybe it's what is meant by the one who asked the question. You can, yes, wait. That's what he said.
Sorry?
He answered your question. Yes, he meant the weight.
Okay. Yes. So this is basically when the data is not behavior as you want, and finally it is. I mean, it's an optimization process. It doesn't mean that you need it, but sometimes it is easier for you to introduce it and help the models to behave in a different way when the data is giving you problems. I mean.
Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, we have any questions. So why reduce the dataset to 3 days? Would the result be safer if the whole dataset was used by minutes over a month? Over 1 month?
This is also a question for me, because I mean, I tried to introduce the data, the whole dataset, but when I try to convert it, it's because of the data. Sometimes it is not working when it is hourly, and it's working when it is minutely. So it depends on sometimes also in the parameters you fix for estimating the parameters. You mean the lower limits and the upper limits. So sometimes it is very difficult to model well the dataset when it is quite long. So since I was not able to do it with minutely data, I reduced it until I obtained a period that it was working. So it depends always in the data. It's not dependent on the period and on the length of the data and everything. So